Hi guys, I'm Raf and once again welcome back to the channel. So this is a little bit of a different video. It's a bit of a product review, I suppose it is, or talk about product which we've been using quite a bit of lately. As you're aware, we do a lot of audio upgrades at MotorGuard here. We do a lot. It's a big part of our business. Now the big thing is at the moment, not most people who come in, I'd say in fact all people who come in, how do we listen to music in our car? We generally use our mobile phone. So we get our mobile phone, Bluetooth connection to our car, listen to the audio through the car. The product we want to talk about today is this. This is the Audison B CON. This is a high resolution Bluetooth 5 receiver. It's certified by the Japan Audio Society. And the idea is when you connect your phone up to your car's Bluetooth receiver, even if you've got your Spotify or Tidal or whatever set to the highest resolution, so the best quality. So we're going to keep this video simple, don't want to get too technical. The receiver in the car is not necessarily always up to the job of receiving that signal and playing out a nice clean signal at a high bit rate. Now, the idea with this Audison B CON, so let's get it out of the box and show you what it is. So this is the B CON, nice little box, small, very small. It's got to be used with an amplifier. So the idea with this is it's got an analog output, so you've got RCA outputs. It's also got an optical output, and we generally use these with the Audison amplifiers. So what you do is we connect this to the amplifier and then we connect our phone. So when you're connecting your phone up, we connect the phone to this receiver as opposed to the car's receiver. You connect it to the car as well, and then you can set your phone so that the Bluetooth calls go through the car and all music goes through here. What this does is, obviously this gives you high res music. So your phone plays the music, this gets a signal and gives you a perfect signal out to the amplifier. It avoids the loss of resolution, which means you get the best possible quality Bluetooth audio out of this system. So if you're doing an audio upgrade and spending thousands of pounds on your amplifier and your speaker upgrades, but your Bluetooth signal is not very good. So if you go back a few years, we used to use CDs and the quality was great, and now we've gone to streaming. And some people, even stream from services which are pretty poor, to be fair. And we're losing a lot of quality in our music. So the idea with this is you'll get the best possible signal going into your amplifier possible. This has also got what we call absolute volume control built in. What that means is it allows you to use your smartphone as like a master volume control as well. It's also a real clever little box, meaning let's say you've got your phone connected to this and the car's system as well, and you're listening to your favorite tracks and all of a sudden the phone rings. It's intelligent enough to cut that out and allow the audio from the head unit to pass through, meaning your Bluetooth calls are coming through the car's head unit as normal. Plus you can have this in your car, have your phone connected to this and the car, and you can literally have your car screen showing your Spotify screen, your CarPlay, whatever, switch all the tracks from your screen as well. But the only difference is the Bluetooth connection is to this as opposed to the car, and the audio comes through this. So again, you get the better signal. We always recommend one of these to anybody who's having an audio upgrade, simply because it will allow you to get the best use of your new audio system. If you, like I said, if you're spending all this money on your audio system and your signal coming out, well, your signal going out is great. Some people use high res music players and whatever, but your head unit can't process that and give you a nice clean signal out to your amplifiers, then you are losing quality. So always recommend one of these. So if anybody's interested, I just wanted to quickly show you because we just had one in the box. I thought while we're here, we'll do a quick video showing you. So this is something you should seriously consider, the B CON. Great bit of kit. As far as I'm aware, it's like the world's first Bluetooth 5 high-res audio player for a car. I'm not sure if that's still the case, but yeah, great bit of kit. If anybody's interested, drop us a shout. Hope you found this video interesting. Please subscribe to the channel. We are thinking about doing a lot more product reviews because we get a lot of call for it, a lot of people phone. So if we do more product reviews, then we can just refer you to the YouTube channel and you can watch the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hopefully we'll see you all very soon.